The purpose of this instruction video today is to outline the safe procedure of loading a mulch roll onto a GDM mulch laying machine. This is a 4-row machine. The procedure is the same for a 2-row, a 3-row or a 4-row. First of all, remove your seat, if fitted, to the machine and move your bar in. This gives you clear access to the back of the machine. Now, you do either two things. Bring the machine to the pallet of mulch roll, or as we've showed here, bring your forklift to the machine to load the rolls onto the machine. Remove your end stopper. This gives you clear access to slide the mulch roll through onto the feed rollers. It's very important now, before you load the roll onto the machine, is to make sure you've got the direction right of the film. Now, as you can see here, this is a used roll, but you've removed the plastic coating, and then make sure that the mulch film comes out from underneath the bottom of the roll and then points towards the back of the machine. This, I cannot stress, is very important to do now rather than on the machine. You come around here now and you slide the mulch roll onto the feed rollers as such. And make sure that you fit your bar. This will stop the roll from falling off if you hit bumps or when the roll gets smaller. Make sure it feeds right through. Refit your end stoppers and make sure your black nut is secured. Then come around to the machine. You've got a centre guide roll here, and you've got the rolls, the feed rollers at the mulch roll. The film has got to go between the feed rollers and this centre guide roller as such, and underneath. And then continue pulling it through underneath this big roller that extends from one end of the plastic laying machine to the other end of the plastic laying machine. So pull your film underneath as such, and you can see here how the plastic is rolling off the bottom of the roll and then around this roller. If it is not doing that, this has been fitted in correctly and you need to turn it around. Okay, you come down here, feed the film underneath these guide rollers on side. Make sure you do this on both sides. And then continue underneath your steel press wheels, making sure you've got an even amount of plastic hanging out from underneath the steel press wheel on both sides. Then when you're happy with that, pull your plastic back and then hook it up on here, on the head of a nut or any object you can find. Usually that nut has always worked out pretty good for us. This leaves your hands clear and free of the machine at all times. Now you can stand up and stand on your plastic as such, and you'll find that your T-tape will come through the bottom as well, so you can stand on both your plastic and your T-tape at the same time. Now reach forward, grab your brake, drop it down onto your plastic roll, and now you're ready to instruct your tractor driver to drive forward. He can see that your hands are clear of the machine and you're clear of any moving parts of the machine, and this is why I can strongly recommend this procedure is used to load and start the laying plastic. Thank you.